Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan. And today we got a very special and unique product from RedMagic. It's the RedMagic Transformers edition. Yes. So this is the most exciting smartphone I've ever got. So today we will have a very simple and very quick unbox video of this special edition. So the first time I got this from RedMagic, and I opened the package, and I found this box. So here is I'm just feel amazing. It's just feel amazed by this product. The box. It's a unique design. It's a customized box. As you can see, a lot of transparent element and designed language and icons and the characters in all of the books. So this, yes, in the front you can see the Transformers, the RedMagic icons and logos, and here inside also we can find a lot of transparent element, and this time we have the Optimus Prime character. So it's the red and black is the main color of this character, and also these books they have a very special design. And let me show you how to open it. First you can do it like this, and here you can get the customized charger, and here you get customized the cooling foam. Yes, and maybe you want to ask why, ask how we can get a smartphone. Okay, after here and here you can open it like this, and now we have the badge, the custom badge, and the small, not small package. I think the case and the warranty card, and also the quick install information. And after this we will see the smartphone just in front of us here. So this, take it, okay, take it out, okay, take the smartphone out. Here, yes, it's the smartphone. And before we check smartphone, let's see, we find a special card. Yes, you can scan the QR code here and get some special right after you purchase this special edition. So this is all the stuff inside these books. Let's check one by one. Okay, first the charger, customized charger, and the cable. Yes, so okay, so cool. The cable is also customized. You can see here it provides very high quality cable. It's not all normal material. It's like a fabric and Kevlar material cable. Yes, very high quality. And also here the mantle, find the transformer icons here. Really nice product. Also the charger, it's customized charger. Find the transformer icon Optimus, and the color is green, and have some special effort, special design on this. It's really cool as well. charger is really cool, and also it support up to 135-watt fast charging. It's amazing charger. The design, also the work efficient. So next I will check the fan. Yeah, so this is the transformer cooling fan. Yes, it's a transformer design, and also the color is similar, same to the charger. Both of them are very cool. Yes, they have the icon, the transformer icon, and also transformers words, and also the material is nice. It's kind of metal and kind of concrete. Very cool. Yes, see the fun. And if you use this, and then you can play games. You can cooling the smartphone and cooling the processor, so you can get better gaming experience. Also, the time for this one, they have also a Type-C cable they provide. So this is about accessories in this package, in this box. And okay, let's put this aside and check the smartphone itself. Actually, I cannot wait to check the smartphone. It's an amazing smartphone. Okay, so let's put them aside. And okay, sorry, before we check the smartphone, I think I should go here. I should check this small package first. Okay, so this is a Optimus Prime small package. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so here we have a transformer customized hard case. The quality is really good, and it's a bit heavy. They just provide a very unique and not unique accessories for the fans. Is the transform case, I'll say. And also they have the customized transformer instructions, warranty card, and also instructions for the cooling fan. Okay, all of these instructions, these papers, we can find the transformers and RedMagic logo and icons. Also they have a sticker for you. You can put this sticker to your fan, to your phone, or to your notebook. So these things are really amazing, and also very useful and good quality. I would say RedMagic, they really do a good job on this Transformer Edition smartphone. Okay, still remember last time we reviewed another co-branded product from RedMagic. They really spend a lot of time on the special edition, to not just for fun, just a box, just a customized box or customized case for the special phone, but they really spend a lot of time on every details. Also here, you get the pen, the SIM card pen, also the transformer shape, also the transformer icon and logo here, symbolic logo here. Let's say RedMagic, nice company. They really care about the fans. So okay, battery, charger, cable, and this is the books. So let's go to the smartphone to check the smartphone. So finally we see the smartphone. It's a so beautiful beast. Yes, so beautiful beast. The design is mainly design is similar. The main design is similar to the normal edition, but they just put lots of special element on the back and back cover of this device. The logo here, the transformer was here. Yes, check this. So also the other element, that element from transformer, check here. Same. So this is the element, the customized element we can see from the back cover. This is really, I was really care about the comprehensive edition they made. So and when we touch it, we can see the dividing into two parts. Meaning here is glass and here is a kind of plastic. It looks like metal, but it actually plastic. Also, they do CNC or logo here. Also the camera here. Also the phone here. A lot of element here. So this is about the appearance. Okay, yes. Also the UI. When they turn on the smartphone, they give a customized transformer UI on this device. When we wake it up, both front and back looks so beautiful and unite. This is very cool. And for this time, I choose the RedMagic 7 Pro Optimus characters. So this time they also have the same size. Is 166 learns, and the width is 7.77, and also the height is 9.9 mm. Also when handling the hand, it's not so light, but if it is a bit heavy than the normal edition, because this time they have 235 grams. Also the the size, but actually if your hand is not too small, you can also control the smartphone easily and comfortably. So this time the 6.7 inch 200 screen, AMOLED screen, same. It also support 120 Hz refresh rate, and support the on-screen camera. On-screen camera, we can find on-screen camera here. Yes, you can hear. Here, yes, it's under screen camera. Yes, so cool. Here you cannot find the punch hole, but actually is under the screen. It's really cool. And also the touch rate is 960. Very nice. It's much higher than other devices. Also this time the processor is Snapdragon 8 generation 1, LPDDR5 and UFS 3.1. Most of the flagship specifications this one have. Yes. And also the camera one, the front camera is 16 megapixel, and also the triple read camera system is 34 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel wide angle and 2 megapixel secondary main camera. It's also nice, and you can shooting and get better quality of shooting and recording videos. So also next is about battery. The battery is 5000 battery, and also I mentioned before is 135 fast charging. Also actually the charger support to 165 is really amazing fast speed. And another thing I have to mention is that this time they give 3.5 Also, the gaming buttons, they don't provide a physical L1 and R1 button, but they give a touch, give a shoulder buttons. You can touch and you can use these buttons to play games, so you can get a very good gaming experience as well. So this is the basic introduction of this cooling and unique and very special unprotected game device from RedMagic and Hasbro Transformers. So I hope you like this phone. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and let's stay tuned waiting for more cool gadgets from here. And thanks. Bye bye.